Are mini twists the cheat code to long, natural hair? Stay tuned for my video.
NCI Music.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rensa, also known as Sasa, and today we are going to be talking about mini twists. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into it. I'm going to be taking down my hair. First off, I'm going to section. I'm going to start with the back. I get so many comments on my TikTok on how I do my twists. I usually go in with the Camille Rose aloe butter, but this time for my twist I use the Camille Rose, the green tea and jojoba curl aid moisture butter. So when unraveling my twist, I'm gonna go in with the Goddess Strength oil. Rub it onto my hands. Mainly focus on the ends. And I'm going to start unraveling. So one thing I like about mini twists is that they're very versatile. I can switch them up any way I want, do many different hairstyles without just keep on braiding and retwisting my hair. I could leave my hair in mini twists for quite a while. So mini twists are basically very small twists, and I did them with no added hair. And when I did my mini twists, I didn't like part them. I just did them like all one by one, and that is what worked best for me. And I just go one by one, untwisting. I usually do like medium-sized twist, but this time I did mini twist to switch things up. When it comes to your natural hair journey, mini twist can be a great style to add to your routine because it is easy to install. It's just twisting, and it does take some time if you are not pretty fast at twisting, but it could last a very long time. So that is one of the benefits of doing mini twists. And my hair stays moisturized in the style for quite some time. When your hair is in twists, it would not be left tangled because your hair is sectioned off and bonded in a twist. Make sure not to try to unravel too fast or you will get knots, but I'm pretty good at taking them down pretty fast. Using an oil helps your hair feel a bit more slippery to unravel the ends, so I don't really have a hard time taking my hair down. I unraveled a pretty good amount so far. When doing my twists, I didn't take too long. It probably took 2 hours. And that is without parting. Now, what are the benefits of doing mini twists? Well, for one, it is a low manipulation style. low manipulation style is a style where it does not cause too much tension to the scalp. So when I wear my twists, I do not do them so tight on my scalp. My scalp can breathe. I could apply oil easily and part my hair if I need to. So that is one great thing about twists. Another great thing is that it could also reduce breakage. Since your hair is in twists, your ends are protected. And I moisturize them with a hair butter, as you can see. I've also received the question, do I re-moisturize my hair while it's in mini twists? No, I do not re-moisturize my hair because when I use my butter, my hair stays moisturized for the time being. As you can see, my hair still looks moisturized when I unraveled it. So it all depends on the product and technique you use and how long you have worn the mini twists. Sometimes I want to rush when taking down my twists, but what is best is starting at the ends. Don't try to start in the middle, and then just let it unravel. See, and separate like this. Just starting to unravel from the middle could just cause unnecessary knots. Even though I like to rush, but take your time and separate. If you would like to try out mini twists, here are some of my tips. I would definitely recommend using moisturizing products when twisting up your hair. Also, I like doing my mini twists on stretched hair. I blowed out my hair first and then I did my mini twist. So find out which technique works best for you. And be patient while doing them because it can take a lot of time to install very tiny twists. So one thing I am is very patient when doing my hair. I gotta take my time because I don't want any unnecessary breakage. See, when you come to a knot, you just gotta comb it out with the finger and separate. There you go. Halfway done. If you are looking for some mini twist hairstyle inspo, I will put on the side right here some videos and pictures of me wearing my mini twists. And comment if you have tried mini twists before. I sectioned the part off that I already untwisted, so this is all I have left. Almost done. So here is the final result. I am done taking down my mini twists. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.